At Commonwealth Bank, we are focused on reducing our environmental impact. We've committed to reduce 20% of our carbon emissions by 2013, and that's relative to our 2008 and 2009 numbers. Commonwealth Bank Place is achieving a 6 Green Star rating. The biggest thing is the fact that it's large floor plates with atriums. And what the atrium does, it allows for natural light to penetrate the floor plates, so the quality of light within the campus is exceptional. We've linked the spaces through bridges and interconnecting stairs to again further the collaboration and the movement within the building. Sustainability has been a main design feature of the building throughout. The systems that we're using for heating and cooling and power are all about reducing our carbon footprint.
Commonwealth Bank Place has some great sustainability features such as tri-generation, chill beam technology and water recycling. Water use is obviously a big factor here at Commonwealth Bank Place, and we're harvesting rainwater and recycling black water in bathrooms. Chill beam technology is the most efficient heating and cooling equipment in the world. This tri-generation produces electricity, heating and cooling all from the same source and helps us reduce our carbon footprint.
One of the initiatives that we're introducing at Commonwealth Bank Place is activity-based working.
Activity-based working involves provision of numerous settings so that when we come to work each day, we can choose a work setting that's most suitable for what we intend to do. We now use MacBook Airs, which are really light and portable, really easy to use. It allows me to carry it to any meeting or wherever I go in the building. And with me comes the phone because it's built into the MacBook now. It's
about having the technology tools that allows people to be mobile.
Because we don't have allocated seating and desks anymore, we use lockers to store our laptops and personal belongings.
And it's also about ensuring that people feel confident in working wherever they would like to work. We're printing much less than in our previous environment. When we work in meetings, we're not printing out paper, we're working off of LCD screens.
These days, we just take the laptop with us. We're saving a lot of paper that way.
The benefit for our people is that they have a choice to work in the most effective way that works for them. There will be 6,300 people moving into the building by early 2012.
It's nice to work for an organisation that's at the forefront of sustainability.
Buildings like Commonwealth Bank Place show the bank's real and tangible commitment to reducing its environmental impact.